Hey there, I'm Larry, and this is my high-tech life. Real tech, real stories, entertaining answers. As a tech executive, I'm always exploring what's practical and what's possible. I use cutting-edge tools to streamline my work, deliver measurable improvements to daily workflows, and help others achieve practical results. Now, I'm launching this technology channel to share my journey. This channel dives beyond the buzzwords. I'll show you how I use powerful technology, from AI tools like ChatGPT and HeyGen to automation systems, secure networks, and devices that make everyday life smarter, unlock new possibilities, and accomplish things you might not even know are possible yet. Expect practical tips. You'll see this channel evolve in real time. Videos will shift week to week because that's the point. Technology moves fast, and I'm documenting the unfiltered process, what delivers results, what falls flat, and what's truly worth your time and investment. Even this trailer, from the avatar to the voice to the visuals, is created with the same tools. If you want a no-nonsense, practical guide to building a tech-driven life from someone who's actually doing it, hit subscribe. This is my high-tech life. Real tech, real stories. Entertaining answers.